It's winter season in Monster Village, which is the perfect time to go camping. The monsters pack their bags and they're ready to go. They decide to go to the nearby forest for camping. They happily walk for a while and reach their destination. The chomping monsters find a nice place for camping. Can you help them pitch a tent over? Cool! Crunchy and Gobble spend their time playing in the forest. Suddenly they hear a strange voice. Is that a bear? No, silly. It's just Crunchy's tummy. Let's help them build a campfire to cook some tasty food. Drag the wooden sticks to the center. Gobble wants to roast marshmallows on the campfire. Would you like to help him? Let's roast some marshmallows. Delicious! The chomping monsters cannot wait to chomp on the marshmallows. Feeding time! It's nighttime now. Time to sleep. The stars are shining and the moon says good night. Can you help them get inside their sleeping bags? Did you enjoy camping with Crunchy and Gobble? Join them again on their next adventure.